See that pretty smile that she have already. So we're on the road doing a delivery. Ho ho ho, it's Christmas or almost Christmas. We're with beautiful Regina. So the smile, kind of smile for the camera. blush a while ago, you know. So we have a big package for you. Come with me. Matter of fact, we have a number of packages for you. Like you went shopping early. We'll start with the baby box.
Yeah.
You can manage? You sure? Alright, and the little one.
Yeah.
What you plan for the holidays?
You have plan for holidays?
Yeah. Can I look like you just a shop for the baby?
Yeah.
So you have nothing planned for yourself?
No, not yet.
So you're looking forward to Christmas though? What you normally doing Christmas?
Shop.
Oh, so Regina shop for Christmas. We like Regina, so that means we're going to see a lot more of her. Right?
Yes.
There you go. I also want you to invite your friends. And make sure you invite your friends because it's a season of giving. Give some advice. Give them some, give us some recommendation. Tell your friends, tell your neighbor. Alright? Not going to keep you much longer. You can manage? Or you want me to carry it for you?
I can.
You can manage? Let me see if you can manage. The box is almost bigger than you, you know.
Yeah.
Can you manage that 15 package though?
A 15 more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can manage? Alright. Let me see. Alright, Carlock. Soon get out of rest. Anyway, on the delivery trail. Now I give Regina much more problem. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. Saturday, Sunday. I like to hear. So how the blue drop in with the green now? When you say you like green. How the blue drop in?
How many want to put green on me?
But yeah, green blouse, green dress, green teeth, green. So why you not putting it here? You know,
Too high.
too high?
Yeah.
You don't really like green then.
No.
Finally admit you don't really like it. But we're not keep her. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. Have a good one.